This SANNCE 8-channel security system delivers sharp 1080p video that makes it easy to recognize faces, license plates, and small details around your property. The included standalone digital video recorder with pre-installed 1 terabyte hard disk drive offers generous storage for continuous recording and reliable long-term archiving. Its 5-in-1 compatibility lets you mix and match traditional analog, high-definition analog, and Internet Protocol cameras, which is great if you are upgrading an older setup in stages. Remote viewing through the companion application on smartphones, tablets, or computers works smoothly, so you can check live feeds and recordings when you are away from home. Motion-based recording with email alerts helps cut down on hours of useless footage while still notifying you quickly when something unusual happens in front of the cameras. The full high-definition video outputs over both HDMI and VGA connections make it straightforward to hook the recorder to almost any modern television or monitor for clear live viewing and playback.